If there's one simple thing that can completely change how you feel every morning, it's this Qigong warm-up. After incurring work-related injuries, I used to wake up in chronic pain, extremely stiff, and emotionally overwhelmed. And if that's you sometimes, I want you to know that doing just this daily warm-up will shift things, guaranteed. I've taught it to thousands of people of all ages, including those dealing with severe health conditions and mental disorders, and I'm constantly told how beneficial it has been for their well-being because it's gentle and it's easy to remember. It works because it affects the major joints of the body where our energy or chi flow can often get blocked. And when we open these areas, the whole system resets and flows naturally again. I call it the 8 circles warm-up because we're going to use the Tai Chi principle of using circular motion to find 8 areas of the body that we can circle from head to toes. Let me just show you these 8 circles even while I'm seated really quickly. Number 1 is the neck. Going down, number 2 are the shoulders. Number 3 is the torso. Number 4 is the waist and the hips. Number 5 will be the knees, still going down. 6 will be the hamstrings, circling back. 7 will be the ankles. And 8 are the wrists and the hands. See, it's that simple and very easy to remember. Just think, what can I circle from head to toe? Okay, so now we'll stand up and really embody this 8 circle warm-up in more of a flow. And I want you to take a quick mental snapshot of how you feel right now, because in about 10 minutes, you're going to feel completely different, lighter, looser, and more grounded to start your day. Standing with your feet shoulder width apart, take some breaths and just relax. Imagine a string pulling the crown of your head upwards to elongate your neck, lower your shoulders, tuck your pelvis slightly to flatten your lower back and unlock your knees. Circle number 1 will be the neck. So in either direction, make a very small circle with your neck. I like to call it a bobblehead because bobblehead's head is still pulling upwards, so not making too large of a circle, which sometimes hurts the bones in the neck. Just go slow and make a small circle. Breathe naturally in and out of your nose, and we'll start going in the other direction. Still having your head being pulled up on the string, make your small circles slowly, perhaps inhaling on the way back and exhaling towards the front. Loosen up your neck. Make sure you're not grinding any of the bones there. Just soften things. Go slow and never through any pain. Circle number 2 will be our shoulders. Just lift up the front and rotate down the back. You can inhale on the way up, exhale on the way down. Don't strain anything. Just a nice, smooth circle. And yes, most likely there will be pops and clicks all along the way. And just remember, you're trying to open the pathways so your chi can flow better. Let's go in the other direction, from back to front. Just lifting at the shoulder, the hands are relatively staying by your sides. Inhaling and exhaling. Being soft, letting all of the tension out. Making things smoother and smoother with each rotation. Moving down the body will be our whole torso that will turn horizontally by turning the waist and swinging the arms. Now, try not to move your knees, just keep them setting forward and only turn at the waist. And because you're turning at the waist, the arms are going along for the ride, just wrapping somewhere on your body. So let your hands and arms just flop around, really. Your head is also going to the front corners, making sure not to twist too far. No tension on the spine. And finally, let go of your thoughts. Like a child, just swing your arms around gently in stillness. And start to slow things down and really let the body slow itself down without you controlling things until you come to a complete stop on its own. Continuing down the body, circle number 4 will be to circle the hips horizontally. Just make a large circle all around. Your hands can rest on the hips or just off the body. What's important is to go slow and make the complete circle, which goes around the front, to the side, to the back, to the other side. I like to say, try to get the whole circle. Please go slow and feel into all the different areas that you're opening. Going the other direction, you're targeting the low back, the reproductive organs, the kidneys and adrenals, the digestive organs. You're just trying to unblock the stagnant energy in this lower portion. You can lean forward and lean back. You can have your hands supporting your back and your belly, whatever feels comfortable. Most importantly, move the chi in this area softly and gently. And coming to a stop, we'll go down to the knees. So put your feet together, bend your knees a bit, and put your hands on your thighs and round your back, fingertips pointing in, and make very small knee circles. You don't need to bend too low or make too large of a circle, especially for weak knees. Just lubricate the joints with a small circle. And when you're ready, you'll go in the other direction. Nothing too strenuous. If you can't do this many, that's fine. You'll work your way up to it. Fantastic. Stand up slowly and put one of your feet out to the front corners on the heel so that most of the weight is resting in the back leg, and just grab your leg and trace it all the way down as far as you can. And when you get to the bottom, have your palms facing up and raise up. Bring that circle back in front of your body and down to again massage the outer and inner leg and stretch that hamstring slowly. You can inhale up and exhale all the way down, going very slowly to take it easy on that back knee, which is supporting your weight, trying to stretch deeper each time. and we'll switch sides. Go slow, feel the stretch. Inhale up and exhale down. The further away you point your buttocks, the more of a stretch you will feel in the hamstring. Try to go one last time, even lower. And step back to shoulder width and place all of your weight into one of your legs and step the other foot behind you somewhere comfortable and rotate the ankle outward. Really try to loosen up that ankle as so many of the meridians run through the ankles. Take all the tension off and then go in the other direction, rotating inward. And we'll switch feet, put all of the weight in the one leg, and then somewhere step back and rotate the ankle outward. For the front leg, imagine that you're connected at the arch of your foot to the ground while the string pulls your head up. So all of your weight goes on a straight line from head to foot. As you rotate the ankle in the other direction now, the ankle is loose while the other leg keeps you stable. Stepping back out. The eighth and final circle is our wrists as they come up to your lowest rib, touching your rib and rotating inward. Stay connected and touching the body as you make a rotation inwards with the fingers opening and closing. Very important not to grind any of the joints here or fingers. Just soften and loosen, using your body to rotate off of. And now we'll go outward rotations, reversing the direction. Be soft in your wrists and your fingers. Let go of any tension in your hands. And let your hands fall, and you are warmed up. Just notice how you feel. All right, so take this moment now to notice the subtle energy shifts in your body, your mind, and your emotions right now compared to when we first started. I would love to hear about it from you in your own words, so leave me a comment and describe this shift. Could we have gone on and done more? Of course, and maybe you're ready for more, which is great. But just remember that this is the most simple and effective way to warm up your whole body each day. All you have to do is just ask yourself, what can I circle from head to toe? If you do want more and would like more support with daily flows, learning a traditional Tai Chi or Qigong form, or joining a community that supports each other's growth, I have everything for you in the description below. Thank you for warming up with me today. Now go and enjoy what the day brings and what you now bring to the day.